It is rice and peas, rice and red beans, can style. This is how it looks. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you a-okay? In your neck of the woods? So what up? Manners and respect, man. On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, I'll be sharing with you how you can use one of your tin or your canned pre-cooked red kidney beans to make some rice and peas. Well, let me pause right here to say special thanks to my patrons that have been making my page possible. If you would like to be a part of my Patreon family, click on the link in the description. Thank you. Post notification shout outs right there. So for this recipe, you're going to need a can of pre-cooked dark red kidney beans, or if it just says kidney beans, I guess when it says dark, it's extra. You're going to be needing some beetroot juice. You're going to be needing some coconut milk, whether canned or freshly squeezed. You're going to be needing rice, of course. Yeah, rice and peas we are making. Okay? Now our little condiments is going to be some fresh thyme, a little piece of smashed ginger. For scallions, I haven't got any scallions. I'm going to be using half of a medium onion, coarsely chopped, some garlic, and some green pepper. The green pepper will not give it any heat. It will just give it some flavor. You're going to be needing a little butter, all melted. And we have it all melting right on over here. But let me come right here now. You know that we say we're going to remove our label. That is how I do my thing. And I am going to be washing my can of beans. And I will catch you in the next clip. So we have got our little condiments right here. Melted butter. And we are going to put it right in there. We are going to be sauteing off this thing. Not too high. Can get my flame up a little bit. Yeah. You're going to be paying it some attention. If you have your scallions, you could use your scallions, you know. Use what you have, use what you want to use. Use you. Do you, not use you, but do you. Now, in addition to that, I think you might need a lasting can opener too. I think this is going to be a part of the stuff that you need. One of the lasting ones. I honestly can't. So, I don't know what it looks like on the inside there. So, we are going inside it. I'm going to be draining this water. You see the water? Wow. So, we're going to be draining that. You see? I won't be using this, and I'm going to be rinsing it with some good old tap water. So you see, this is like, I'm going to put this with about a serving of rice. So now that we have rinsed this canned liquid off it, you know, our flavor is going to be like very, very low. So hence we are making this little flavor thing right on over here. I'll rinse, drain, yeah. So right here, you see the amount of peas. Remember, these are cooked. So you notice we drain the water. I know you're going to say, Debbie, but you drain the whole of the flavor, yeah. But we are going to be reintroducing some flavor in this thing. Let us cook to see how check to see it's properly cooked there. So this look like about, I think I put this with about a pound of a rice, but remember, you may not get, you know, a lot of peas. If you're somebody that likes a lot of peas in your rice, you're not going to get a lot, so probably you might want to hold less. Now, as with any rice and peas, we do want some coconut milk, whether be it canned or be it freshly squeezed. I'm using freshly squeezed. Get some canned one, because if you strap for time. So let's put some of it in there right now. Just leave it to come to a boil. And whilst it's coming to a boil, you're going to need to add a little salt to taste. Yeah, try to put back some flavor you know, because you did remove the canned liquid. So we are going to leave it in there to come to a boil, and we're going to add now our thyme and smashed garlic. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Okay, you see that our coconut milk is there, and it smells so good. It's boiling, but Lord, what Jamaican red rice and red peas? Or what kind of Jamaican? Or what kind of rice and red bean we are cooked? Not a color. Even if we did use the water on it, it would not be enough. So at this point, you want to introduce your nice little pretty red beetroot juice to this mix. We're gonna give it a stir. Yes, man. We have added everything already. This is gonna give it some color, but as it cooks, it's not gonna be as bright. It is gonna diminish, but the flavors are in there. You see a little peas, them, look at this. So this is what you want. Our rice is here, all washed, all drained. Use your rice of choice, and I'm gonna be putting my rice. And I can tell you, this is a pretty easy rice and peas. I think I'm gonna start cooking. This is what I'm gonna be cooking when I need rice and peas for the rest of the summer. Cause look here, for it summer Jamaica go take longer for end than food. Cause we wanna end probably about in a day. All October for it summer not end. So you wanna have your liquid, know your liquid. Look at this, you see this? But remember, as it cooks, you see the rice start to color already. But remember, as it cooks, it is going to the color is gonna be dimmed, but you're gonna have that pretty nice color. So this here is just to show you that you can use your little canned peas, when your little canned red peas, when you're strapped for time, and also when the time is so hot and you just not have the energy. We're gonna give it a thorough stir, make the little peas go right through, and then I'll cover it. And when you see me next, we have rice and peas, rice and red beans, all ready to go. Okay, now fam, let's look. Okay, now remember, this is not, so we have our time right there as we would cook with regular peas. You know, this is not the tutorial showing you step by step how to make rice and peas. It's just showing you when you're on the go and you don't have time to put your peas to soak and all of that. Remember, I told you that the beetroot would just give it that slight turn of color, making it look like your regular rice and peas. You saw it there when we put it in, how pink, bright pink it was. No, it would not remain that way as the heat takes it. So look here, this is your perfect. If you need more peas in your rice and peas, then you could probably, you want to use more peas, maybe another can or another half can. But as it is rice and peas, rice and red beans, can style. This is how it looks. This is just for the on the go people. You want to pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Remember that you have your piece of ginger in there, so you want to search for it. But look here, if you bite on a piece of ginger, I don't think anything is wrong. Look at it. Leave me a comment below, share with me, have you ever done it this way? Not bad at all. I don't think it's bad. Some people like their rice and peas. I would prefer a little more beans with mine, but it's okay. It's for the on-the-go people. Canned rice with canned beans with rice, giving you that on-the-go rice and peas. Thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. I'll catch you again with another video.